Hello everyone, welcome to GYA channel. We were frequently asked by customers how to assemble one big Cat7 Cat6A shielded cable. And so we made a video today to share our experience. Firstly, let me introduce the components and the tools. Big cable, OD 7.8mm, cable structure SFTP, plug, Cat7 shielded plug, 2 parts, tail clip, 4 up 4 down wire structure, boot, OD 8.0mm, special crimping tool for Cat7 plug, stripper and scissor. First step, put the boot through the cable and strip the cable jacket for 3 cm. It is necessary to decide the stripping length before the cable assembly. If it's too short, the wires can't reach the plug pins properly. If it's too long, the boot may not match the plug. Second step, arrange braiding and strip off the aluminum foil. The aluminum foil and wires are intertwined tightly. So when cutting the aluminum foil, we should pay attention to the depth of cutting to avoid hurting the wires. Third step, untwist the wires. Untwist the wires by wire map of 568B or 568A. We choose 568B for now. Fourth step, assembly the loading bar of the plug. Trim the wire ends to make it easier to thread. Insert the wires through the wire holes of the loading bar. Fifth step, cut off the extra wires. Cut the wire ends as neat as possible with the loading bar for easy threading into the plug. The insert is 4 up 4 down structure, and so you can see the colorful wires on the top and the white wires on the bottom. Sixth step, assembly the plug housing. The loading bar can ensure that the line position doesn't shift when moving. Align the plug housing with the cable and push the cable into the plug. Seventh step, remove the extra braiding and tie the tail clip. Eighth step, use a special hand tool to tighten the tail clip and crimping the pins. step. Push the boot into place.